Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shaunneka and today we are going to be doing a morning mobility hip routine. This is really going to help you out if when you wake up in the morning you kind of sit at the edge of the bed contemplating whether or not you can get up, or if you are experiencing low back pain and just generally need some help mobilizing things throughout your hip region. You will need 2 blocks for this practice. It's not necessary, but it is recommended, and we'll go ahead and get started right away in a tabletop position. So this tabletop position is going to be a little bit different. First, just make sure that your shoulders are in line with your wrists and your knees are in line with your hips. Once you have this position, go ahead and just gaze through the gateway of your thighs and make sure you cannot see your feet. From here, you're going to take your right hand and turn your right fingertips to face your kneecap. We're going to take a few cat-cow in this position. So let's go ahead. Inhale, belly drops, chin lifts. And exhale to round. Inhale. And exhale. Really spread through the shoulder blades. Inhale. And exhale. One more. Inhale. And exhale. Finding a neutral spine. Remove the right fingertips from your kneecap, point them forward again, and do the same with the left. So pointing the left fingertips towards the left kneecap, readjusting if you need to. And let's begin. Inhale, belly drop, chin lifts. And exhale to round. Inhale, really drawing the shoulders away from the ears and down the back. And exhale, round. Inhale. And exhale. One more inhale. And exhale. Finding a neutral tabletop, bring the left hand back out in front of you. So from here, we're just going to find a little bit of freedom in our tabletop. So what I like to do is I like to bring my chest just a little bit beyond my wrist and my shoulders, come around to the side, drop my bum back towards my heels, and forward again. Just finding any movement that feels good for you. Making sure to switch directions. And let's go ahead and find that neutral tabletop position again. So from here, we're going to take 5 fire hydrants, but you want to make sure when you're doing your fire hydrants that you're not leaning all of your weight to your left side. So really try to maintain and keep that balance. So let's go ahead. You're going to bend the right knee and bring the right knee up as high as it can come for you. So again, making sure you're not leaning and sagging into the left side. Navel draws in. Inhale and exhale. Lower the knee almost as if you're going to touch the left and open again. 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. Kick the right leg out, bend it, and drop it. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one here. You're going to bring the right foot down to the mat, lining your right toes up with your left kneecap. So we're going to take another set of cat-cow with the right leg extended. So really ground down through that right big toe. Find some stability. Inhale, belly drops, chin lifts. You feel a nice stretch through the inseam of that hamstring. And exhale to round. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more inhale. And exhale. Finding a neutral tabletop, just making sure you're not sagging in the belly or rounding too much. So really try to find that neutral spine. Your navel is still engaged. You're going to root through your right big toe, your right foot, and send your bum back towards your left heel. If you can't go, you can stay here and just kind of pulse, or you can come all the way down. Just taking a few breaths here. Let's take a nice big inhale and sigh it out. Let's go ahead, rise to your tabletop position. You're going to take your left fingertips and spider them beside your left knee. Come up onto your right fingertips. You're going to bend your right knee and you're going to balance your weight in your left knee and your left shin and your left fingertips. So you can stay here if this is enough for you. If you'd like, you can take your right hand and grab a hold of that right ankle. So instead of just kind of hanging out here, you're actively looking to open that right knee up towards the ceiling and then kick back with that right foot, right shin into the right hand. Open up the chest, feel really, really nice, big expansion here. Inhale. Exhale. Gently release the grip, and you're going to bring your right foot and step it up to the top of the mat. This is where you are going to need your blocks. So inhale here. And exhale, straighten. Inhale. And exhale, straighten. 3 more. Inhale, low lunge. Exhale, straighten. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, inhale. And exhale. Go ahead and sit back onto your left heel. Bring your right bum cheek to the mat and unravel the left leg out from behind you and bring the left foot to the inside of the right thigh. So it's almost as if we're in a tree pose just on the mat. Inhale to find length. Square off your hips. Line, I like to say, your sternum up with your big toe. Inhale and fold forward. And just notice that you're not rounding through the back. So try to find space in your low back. Lift up and out. Lead with the chest. A few more deep breaths. So we're going to get ready to move. You're going to take your left fingertips and spider them behind you. You're going to reach up with the right hand and push your hips forward. So press into your left fingertips, reach up, press, and gently release. Come all the way back down and fold over your right leg. 2 more like this. Fingertips behind you, press up, inhale, and exhale, swoosh back down over that right leg. Last one, left fingertips come behind you, hips push forward, inhale, and exhale, swoosh down, lean over that right leg. Gently come up. Bring the left leg out in front of you. Just give your legs a shake. Maybe bend the knees. Windshield wiper them from side to side. And we'll go ahead and come into tabletop and do all of that on the other side. So let's go ahead and we'll find that fire hydrant position on the other side. So again, stacking shoulders in line with your wrists, knees in line with your hips, gaze through the gateway of your thighs, and make sure your feet are hidden from your view. Again, trying not to lean all of your weight into your right shoulder, right hip. Bend the left knee and open it up. Inhale and exhale. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Leave the left knee bent and open. You're going to kick, bend the knee, and drop it. Open, kick, bend, and drop. For 3, 2, and 1. So extend now the left leg down onto the mat. Make sure your left toes are in line with your right kneecap and really press into your left big toe. So we're going to take a few cat-cow in this position. So go ahead, inhale, belly drops, chin lifts, and exhale to round. Inhale. And exhale. 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Go ahead and find a neutral tabletop. From here, you're going to send your hips back. So you're trying to send your right hip towards your right heel. If it doesn't go all the way, you just kind of rock forward and back here just a little bit. Really grounding down through that left big toe. And of course, if you can, bringing yourself all the way back, just taking a few breaths here. Take a nice big inhale. And sigh it out. So let's go ahead and come forward. Go ahead now, you're going to take your right fingertips beside your right knee and come up and spider your left fingertips. You're going to lean your weight into your right shin, right fingertips, bend the left knee, and open up the left hip. So you can stay here if this is enough for you. If you're looking for a little bit more, grab a hold of that left ankle. Push your shin, push your foot into the left hand, and open up the chest. Feel that nice big expansion. Gently release the grip, and then step the left foot to the top of the mat. This is where you choose to use your blocks or not. Moving into our low lunge, half split pose. So inhale, and exhale, straighten. Whew. You can feel the tightness in this side compared to the other. Inhale, and exhale. 3 more. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale. Last one. So from here, you're going to bring your left hip down onto the mat and bring your right foot from out beside you to the inseam of your left thigh. Inhale to find length. Line the sternum up with your big toe. Inhale, and exhale, fold forward. So again, making sure you're not rounding here, looking to find space in your low back. A few breaths here. Let's go ahead and spider our right fingertips behind us. Push into your right fingertips, lift your hips up, inhale. And exhale, swoosh back down, fold over the left leg. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, swoosh down. One more. Inhale, swoosh up. And exhale, come down. Gently come to sit up. Remove the right foot. Extend it out in front of you. Bring the feet to the mat. We'll just go ahead and lower all the way down onto our backs for your Savasana. Slowly now, beginning to call ourselves back, wiggling the fingers and the toes, rotating the ankles and the wrists. Let's go ahead and take our arms up overhead for a nice long body stretch. Reach, 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 reach. And just allow your bones to drop heavy. Bend the knees, rolling over onto your side. You can cradle the head in your upper arm. Let's go ahead and push ourselves up to a seat, keeping the eyes closed. Let's take a nice big inhale here. And a nice side of the mouth. Gently opening the eyes. Yogis, I hope you enjoyed this hip mobility practice. I hope your hips are juiced up and ready for the day. If you like this class, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends, your family, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.